So hello guys, and welcome back to another video. As I have already mentioned, so now we'll be trying to get some few things. So the first of the things that I would love to fix, I'll just like to fix my wood, my fence, whatever you guys call it. So I'll just come here, just select it, and I didn't name guys a lot of things here, of which that's one of the few mistakes I did about this one. So I don't want like that white thing to appear. That means I gotta just take this and I just put it up a little bit, you know. Then towards the end, I also gotta take this, I put it up a little bit. Then I gotta just remove that thing. Then I put it up a little bit, just a little bit. Then I can that's all. Then I gotta take this and that. So I gotta guess it because I didn't name it. I have to guess it because I didn't name it. Just zoom it, just take it, then put it just like that. Also this one also applies to it. Just take it, increase it, put it up a little bit. This one also, this one also. So all of those kind of shapes, you gotta just try to combine them and put them all under like your wood, because like it's kind of confusing, like you'll see as time goes by. So let's just try to hold select. So to select it, click control, then you select whatever you want to select. So let's just hold them and put them all on shape 1. So I want them to be grouped on shape 1. Let's take those one also, those two, we drag them and putting them on shape 1. So let's see, when we are moving our shape 1, is that everything gonna move? So we gotta take this one also, put it on shape 1. Everything should move on shape 1. Take this one, put it on shape 1. That means everything that include this gotta move with shape 1. So if I want to move shape 1 like that, everything like that should move. That's what I wanted. Everything that includes shape 1 should move. um then what else I can say is missing? I can say that's all because that's where our character will be standing. mm, what else I can say? That's all guys. Just try to combine this. You can also like add some filler points here. So I'll see you on the next episode where I'll be doing something that I really don't like to do, but definitely worth doing.